Nice cold, and ow. Oh no! Oh no! Hi guys, welcome back. We're gonna have a party today, but it's gonna be a barbecue party. So, the first thing we're gonna need is we're gonna need to get a barbecue. Hang on, let's see what I've got under here. Dun, dun, dun. Check out this barbecue. I love cooking in the park. Look, we've got some chicken, some sausage on that barbecue. It even comes with some hot coals and some cold coals. Let's unbox this thing and get it built. All right, guys, let's start unboxing. There, all right. We've got the barbecue part, and the lid, all right. And now we have to start to build this barbecue, which shouldn't be too difficult. I think we can do it. All right, so first, make sure everything's off to the side. There we go. Okay, so first, we take the barbecue and we want to flip it over, that way we can get the legs in. Now, don't put the legs in first, because first you have to put the legs through here, okay? Ta-da! Look at that. Okay, so we can put the grill inside, just like that. And the lid can go on top, like that. And we finished the main part of the barbecue, but there's still more. We have salt and pepper shakers. So we have our salt and pepper shakers, and in this box, there was a sticker. Sticker for salt and pepper. So we gotta take the salt, put it on the salt. Pepper, put it on the pepper. Okay, and then we can put our lids on, just like that. Put them there. We have our utensils, our grilling skills, and everything else is ready. All we have to do now is put our coals inside. Nice cold coals and hot coals, okay? And now we gotta put these, we got to cook our sausages. Ooh, those look good. Nice and tasty. Come here, sausage. Get over here. Good, and my chicken. We'll put a couple little tomatoes on there, and we'll let that cook for just a minute. All right, so we're cooking that food still. I'm gonna let that food cook and sit there for a little bit, and I think I'm just gonna take a little nap while I'm waiting. Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! I burnt all the food! Blackened chicken, black tomatoes. That's horrible now. All right, well, let's pull that off to the side. Good thing I was prepared and I brought extra food. Hang on one second. So we'll put that right there, just like this. All right, and then we'll take this fish. Let that cook. Don't forget, you gotta put a little salt and a little bit of pepper. That'll make things taste real good. Now, we're gonna put that lid on there. You can smell that food cooking. Let's take a look, see if it's done. Ooh. We still got a little bit more time for it to cook. Well, let me tell you a little story. When I was little, my mom would always do all the barbecuing. And my mom was an amazing barbecue cook. You could smell her food all the way down the street. And every time I try to barbecue just as good as she taught me. Ooh, I can smell now that food is ready. So let's start pulling it off of that hot barbecue. There we go, we got our fish. Now this food looks nice and hot and ready to dig in, but don't forget, make sure you say thank you for the food before you eat. Remember to subscribe if you like what you're seeing. Go ahead and click that subscribe button underneath, and I'll see you guys all next week. Have a wonderful time.
Tham gia nhiều khóa học thú vị tại Boss Kids lên nhé!